Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to repair a cracked windshield and I'm going to show you right now, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, step number one is do not do this in direct sunlight. Please do it in a shaded area and don't perform this task on a hot windshield. It needs to be cool and need to be in the shade when you are doing this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is clean the windshield and get any of the excess dirt or glass particles or whatever that caused the pitting in your windshield. You need to get that gunk out first. Now I like to use an alcohol swab to get it clean, and then use any type of thumbtack, a pin, something like this to get any excess dirt, glass out of there. So do that step. Next step coming. Next thing is you can use any generic type of windshield repair kit that you can pick up at any auto repair store, and it's not that expensive, but it's a lot cheaper than using Safelite or some other window repair company. Anyway, so the next step is this little piece. We're going to put this on. You have an adhesive side on this side. You're going to put this on and put the tab going up in the upward area of where the pitted damage is, and you're going to pinpoint it with this circle. You're going to put the main damage right in that circle. Okay, so we've peeled the bottom of this and we're going to point this upward and get it right there on the center of that. Press it down really hard, make sure you got a good seal. Next, you are going to remove the top adhesive and you're going to put the pedestal, line up the pedestal piece on here on the adhesive, and make sure you have a good line up there with the hole on the adhesive. Okay, so the next step is this. We're going to cut off the tip of this resin right here, and you're going to put 3/4, fill this up using a slowly, gently squeeze in there. You're going to use up to 3/4 of this tube, and it's probably going to have some of it seep down. You can wipe that off or whatever, but the main goal is to get this in there and about 3/4 up, and the next step after we do that. Okay, once you get the plunger in, press and hold, and then get it locked in the lock position. Let it sit there for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, then you're going to pull this out shortly, just for a few seconds to let some air in. Then you're going to put the plunger back inside, and you're going to depress the plunger downward and then engage upper notch with the spring clip and let it sit for 20 more minutes. All of this in the shade. After that sits for 20 minutes, you're going to pull this plunger out, toss it aside, and then you're going to want to start using a razor blade to gently remove the pedestal and the sticky tape. The next step is you're going to place some resin that you have left in your tube on the clear sheet, and you're going to place that face down on the pitted surface, and then we're going to let this sit outside. Oh, there we go. Now get it on there like that, and we're going to go and let it sit outside for at least 15 minutes in the direct sunlight. Now you can go to direct sunlight. And for the final step, you remove the clear sheet after it's cured in the sun. And I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but all of the crack is really filled in. It's not spreading anymore. So hopefully this will help you or somebody, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, and it only helps me with the algorithm for YouTube. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.